All right. In this activity, we're going to be working with translational symmetry. Translational symmetry is like what you see in a lot of wallpaper patterns. So you take the pattern, and it's a large space-filling pattern, it fills up the whole wall, and you could sort of imagine yourself sliding it over and placing it right on top of itself so that it matched up perfectly. That's translational symmetry. So in this activity, you're going to create a pattern that has translational symmetry. Now, to meet the requirements of the activity, you just need to follow a few simple rules. First, it needs to be done on centimeter grid paper. I have plenty of centimeter grid paper. Second, it has to fill up the entire grid, or the whole page. Third, it needs to be completely colored in, using no more than 4 colors. Next, it has to include at least one polygon that has more than 4 sides, so 5 or more sides. So it can't be all squares. You can't just color in every square on the grid. It has to have one polygon that has at least 5 sides. It has to be composed of all closed shapes. Right? So the pattern needs to be like all polygons. You could use circles or whatever, but they have to be all closed up so they could be colored in. The translation that you use on the grid has to have non-zero vertical and horizontal components. This means that it needs to slide both over and up. You can't just slide it to the left or the right. You can't just slide it up or down. It has to be both over and up at the same time, like the pattern that I'm showing you here in the example has vertical and horizontal components that are non-zero, meaning not zero. Next, you need to provide 2 translation rules that map the pattern onto itself, and you can see here these 2 translation rules that I've given. And last, your work needs to be presentation quality. It means it needs to look nice. If you want some examples of presentation quality, just look at the stuff that I've put up on my wall by my desk. All that is presentation quality. It looks good. It can be hung up on the wall. All right? Worth 10 points. Good luck with it.